Hello friend, welcome to my channel Knowledge of IoTX. Our today's topic is, how to defragment your PC's hard drive on Windows. So, let's follow to video. At first, click to Right button, on my computer, then click to Manage. Then, click to Disk Management. Now, click to Right button on any driver path, and click to Properties. Then, select to Tools tab, and click on Optimize button. Now, shown the pop-up screen of Optimize driver. You can select any driver, and click to Optimize button. Then, running to Defragmentation, and consolidated all the empty spaces. You can also change the schedule optimization setting on your PC. Frequency is daily, weekly and monthly. You also choose the individual driver in your PC. Stay tuned for enjoying more videos. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then kindly subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for getting more update. Thank you, have a nice day.